Using Reseller Manager, you can send a campaign, a mailing list, or send a profile to any one of your clients. You can do this using the Share Builder icon over here. The wizard will now ask you what you'd like to share. So, in this scenario, let's share a mailing list. Next, we just need to select what mailing lists we wish to share. We can select one list or multiple lists. And click the close button when you've done selecting your lists. Next, we're being asked, who would you like to share this with? We just click here to now specify the clients that we wish to share our mailing lists with. Again, click the close button bottom right once you've finished selecting. When you're ready to share, hit the share button. The wizard will now tell us a summary of what we're going to do. So we can see we're selecting 3 mailing lists and they're being shared with 2 of our reseller clients. To confirm the share, click on Confirm Share. Okay, that's all done, and those mailing lists have been successfully shared with our designated reseller clients.